You guys, I am so excited to present to you this amazing, look at this cool amber, kind of almost like a maroon mahogany case. This is the best pocket knife you will ever find in your life. It comes with an awesome sharpening stone. I'll show you how that works in just a little bit. My son is gonna open it because guess what? This bad boy is for my son, Samuel. I will say it's a little bit small, but I kind of like that it's intimate. It's not so, large and cumbersome. It's a beautiful engraving. My son's name is Samuel. And what I'm gonna have is Samuel hold the camera here. Okay, come closer. So make sure you get in the light too. So watch this here. And this is 100% US manufactured steel. Look how absolutely amazing that is with my engraver from my son. And look how amazingly sharp this is. Watch this. Look at that. Absolutely cuts it in no problem at all. It comes with the stone, so you can actually sharpen your knife. I'm left-handed, so this is a little bit harder for me. You can sharpen it. Look at that, how cool that is. And then my son Samuel is gonna just hold it for a second. How does that feel, son?
It feels actually like really good.
I mean, this is the pocket knife of all pocket knives. I mean, you could use this for literally anything, but what I really am proud of, oh, and by the way, here's how you close it. So there's a little spring mechanism here. You're gonna just gently move that, and then it closes just like that, easy peasy. I mean, the craftsmanship, the quality, this is American, made in the USA, American manufacturing at its finest. It does not get any better than that. Wow, I'm so excited. This thing is amazing. This is every guy's dream. It would make a terrific gift as well. You can't go wrong with that. Wow.